we're gonna go, then I need like.
There's Gabe and Mikey and Andy. Say hi to Serena. This is going to Serena.
Hi, Serena. I miss you.
Hi, Serena. You do?
Yeah.
I need my Oakley's, but Kyle took them.
They're bored. They want to do something.
Get out of here, dude.
Sorry, Grumpy Gil.
Go to Kyle's house
Stop
to get my
smoking
glasses.
weed.
I don't smoke weed.
Hi, Andy. Hi, Gabe. Okay, I'm going to go show you the car now. This is Mikey's car, his nice Nova. That's all effed up right now because he's dumb. There's Mom's car. Anywho, let's go take a look over here at this beautiful looking car right here. Very nice. Just got it washed by the soccer players. Yes, very nice. First things first. I got someone's backpack in there I have to take to him. Very, very big trunk. I could shove one of the boys in there. Or hide it from the cops or something because you know they're Mexican. Just kidding. And then we got the back seat. Nice little holders right there. Comfy little chairs and whatnot. And the little cup holders. Better best not be any trash in here. And then we're gonna go over here. And here's my seat. There's Marco's seat. My chapstick all up in here. Then we got all this up in her. I got a nice hidden thing up here. And then always have to have my speakers. And then, yep, the OnStar, and XM radio. And I got a thing to where I could hook up my iPod. Woo. Someone has freaking pennies in here and trash. I'm a pissed. And it's all of this. Yeah. My nice parking ticket for the school. Very nice. Got my thing all up in there. But, yep, pretty much, this is my car. Looks very nice. And, yeah, my nice mirrors. I don't know what else you want to see, but this is it. Pretty much my nice little Metal Militia lanyard. I love it. It's my brand. My favorite brand. Woo! Yep. I want to show you my cool key first of all. There's my house key. Right there. My house key. It's a nice little breast cancer symbol or ribbon. And then this is my cool key that just makes me so excited. Watcha! Very neat. Yeah, pretty much. Well, I just wanted you to see my car. So, I'm going to put it on YouTube so you can see it. And I will talk to you later. Love you. Bye.